How to apply your false lashes. This is not a tutorial for how to trim them, just for applying. For today, I'm using lashes from Shein. I love how natural and wispy these look, and they also have a really thick lash band, which I need for my monolid eyes. Take your lash glue and apply a thin layer all over the lash band. Now this is optional, but I like to apply just a little bit onto the top as well. Here's what the lash band looks like. Wave the lashes in there for about 10 to 15 seconds until it becomes sticky. Don't blow on your lashes, please don't. Your breath has germs. And here's what it looks like after a few seconds. You can also use your finger to tap on the glue just a little bit to see if it's sticky. Now that it's ready, tilt your head back and looking in the mirror, line up the lash band to your upper lash line. Don't place your lashes too close to the inner corner of your eyes, it'll poke you and feel uncomfortable. Once you found where to place them, gently put the lash band down the middle, and then taking the outer corner of the lash band, I'm adjusting it to line up with my lash line. Once that's lined up, I'm taking the lashes and pushing them inward and up. And then at the same time, I'm also clamping my fake lashes to my real lashes. Now I'm taking my fingers and tugging them downward to make sure that the lashes are secure onto my eyelid. Then I'm gently flicking them upward so that they flare up instead of straight. This is why I apply a little bit of lash glue onto the top of my lash band. The thicker lash band helps to push up my eyelids so that my eyes look more wide awake. Here's one side of my eye with the lashes on. It looks very natural. And then this eye has no lashes. Lashes are on this side now. I love how lightweight they feel and they look very natural. And that's it. Practice as much as you need to. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Let me know if this helps. If you have any more questions, drop it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!